Okay, here's my 1972 MGB GT. I've owned the car for nearly 4 years now. Normally at this time of the year we're at the NEC, the Classic Motor Show over in Birmingham. Unfortunately this year that's not possible, but instead here we are doing a virtual event. So you can see the car has actually been on the show scene for the last 3 years since I've had it. I've been fortunate enough to have a little bit of success. I've just laid out a small selection in the boot. Originally I came to the restoration show in 2018 and was fortunate enough to win that. Got a trophy there. As a result of that, I've actually been asked to do some articles in the MG Owners Club magazine that you can see here and here. And last year I was a finalist on the Maguire's Club Showcase stand, and that's the little sign that I was given at the time, which is a really nice thing to keep. So I've done a lot of work on the car in the time that I've had it. Replaced a lot of brake work, new chrome bumpers. The wheels are actually 26 years old. I pride myself in working really hard to keep those in good condition. If we take a look inside the car, it's actually done 137,000 miles now, the car, but it's in great condition. Got my little mascot George in there. He looks after the car when I'm not with it. So yeah, I've had some great times with this vehicle. We've been to a lot of shows, had a little bit of success with it. One of the things I like best about the whole car scene is meeting people, old and new. Made a lot of friends in the car community, and I've got to say everyone really looks out for each other. Well, fortunately the car was stored at my parents' house and they passed suddenly last year, so we've had to find fresh storage, which is where it's now kept. Lucky enough I've been able to find somewhere within walking distance of my house, which is absolutely ideal. This car genuinely is my pride and joy. Absolutely love it, absolutely adore it. Incredibly proud of what we've achieved these last 3 or 4 years. And as a result of this, as I say, my son Jake, he's now bought a classic car. He's got a 1979 Triumph Spitfire that you may have seen. But we've just had such a great time with the car. Just really hope that sometime in the not too distant future we can get out and start meeting friends again on the show scene. So there you go. So that's 1972 MGB GT. Thanks for watching.